my laptop went to shit. I have my old one. This is the 2011 version MacBook Pro, maybe not. MacBook Pro 13-inch. And I'm going to be installing an SSD. Here are little T6 screwdrivers, which I guess I need. This is the new battery for my laptop. And it comes with screwdrivers, right? If there is any one person that shouldn't be fucking around with computers, it's me. So let's see what happens. Because I don't have a laptop right now and I need one. So I watched 2 videos on how to do this. I will link them down below. And I will link what I bought too. So I'm supposed to take these out. Okay, oh my god, it's coming out, guys. 3 of these are longer or something. I'm gonna put them in here. It's like erotica for like people that like, oh shit, oh there it is, that like computers. Look at how cool this is. So I guess this is magnetic. The screws get attracted to that. That's so genius. So I wash my hands, it's dry, now I lift it. Oh my god, I've never seen the inside of my computer before. Wait, how do I lift it? Right? How the fuck do I lift it? Ah, shit, you dumb fuck. There's more on here, ha ha ha. That was negative self-talk. You were excited. That's why, you're so mean to yourself. Okay, now we get to see the inside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's gross as fuck. I have to disconnect this. Okay, now it's disconnected. And then I have to unscrew these 2. Okay, it's coming out. Fuck. Come on, boy. Okay, it's out. What? This is the shorter one. Okay. And what do? I take this. And then I take this. Do you see? And I lift it. Oh, there we go. That was quite easy. Oh boy, it's so dusty.
Set your new battery into the MacBook Pro so that these 3 notches fit under these 3 tabs and make sure it sits flat in the bay.
There's this thing here. What's that? It's a lobby thing. Did I break something? Oh no, it just popped out. Okay. Okay, I put it back in. That was pretty easy. Softly, gently. Oh, I'm getting frustrated. Yeah, we did it. It's in there now. I don't know what happened. I'm getting so frustrated. I never want to do this. Oh, I think we're good. Now I put this in. Okay. Whew. And now this. I have to unscrew these 2. Lefty loosey, bitch. Oh, it doesn't fit. Like, this is already stressful enough. And no one's telling me to film it, but I want to. Oh, that's a perfect fit. What the fuck? Ha ha ha. Oh, it doesn't come out all the way. Okay. And then you take this out. You're not supposed to lose this, and it goes in this way. And then I have to take this out, I think. And then be gentle, because it's connected. Fuck. And then I have to unscrew this. Lefty loosey, bitch. These screwdrivers that I got from Amazon were really cheap. And doesn't have a very good grip on it, which is why I can't get these little nubs to come out. So I'm just going to put everything back. And I already ordered new ones. So I'm just gonna wait for Tuesday for them to arrive. Hello, I'm Coco and we're here to finish the battery. No, the SSD installation. These are bigger, so it's gonna be better. And I need the T6, which is this guy. I don't know if you care, but I just shot night 1 of my Directing 2 shoot. It went pretty well. Yeah, it's really tough to not have a laptop, man. Wow, that sounds so spoiled. Here we go. This is the new one. And this is the old one. These are the stuff that I need taken out from. That's T6. Let's see if this works. Oh my god, it's coming out so easily. Remember when I spent like 7 years trying to get them out the last time? This is so easy. Fuck, don't buy those screws, man. I'll put them in the link below. It's thinner than that. Does that make a difference? Yeah, it's way thinner and way lighter. What the heck? I hope it works. Ah, it's so nice to have something that works. Sometimes you gotta splurge, like I said in my 20 things that I learned in 20 years video, which will be linked. So remove before installing. And so it's like this, and this plastic comes here, so I'm gonna replace that so it can come out easier. There is this thing that goes in there, which secures it, I guess. I have to connect this. You press it in. Okay, it's a pretty good fit. I shove this side in, and this settles in there nicely. And then I put this in like this. Nope, is it like this? Yeah, I think so. And then I tighten this. If this works, like wow. We put this on. Looks pretty gross, look. Awesome. Nice. That's the end of this installation. I'll do a follow-up of whether or not it works. A little bit about this laptop, you usually see it in pink. They replaced the display, so the bottom part is still my laptop, but this top part is new. Whole thing costed around like $513, I think, which isn't ideal, but if you try to be optimistic about it, you're getting like half a laptop for that. I don't know, but yeah, this is working now. And then this laptop is the one that I quote unquote fixed. I brought it in today, and then I made an appointment, and I got in like 10-15 minutes later. It works without even charging it in. Usually I have to have the battery, I have to have a charger plugged in order for this to even start up. I went in for an appointment that I made right there with a specialist. He installed a operating system for me, so it's working. The trackpad isn't working very great, but like I can just get a mouse or something. So that is my update. I can't believe I did it. Thanks for watching this very weird video. I know I wear this robe a lot, but it's my robe. 2 laptops. Now I can edit this video.